This video starts with a realization that shatters a common belief. What if the heavy feeling, the lack of drive, and the physical decline you associate with aging isn't simply a matter of time passing? Imagine a hidden process in your body, a vital, biological code for repair that most men over 50 quietly lose without ever knowing it. Many people try magnesium, thinking it's the miracle cure for low energy and poor sleep, but they're still missing the complete answer. If you lack two absolutely critical vitamins before bed, your entire nighttime self-repair system simply remains dormant. That's why millions of men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s feel perpetually tired, disconnected from their youthful vigor, and surprisingly soft. Tonight, I'm pulling back the curtain on this biological secret. We're going to discuss a powerful, small habit, taking less than 1 minute, that can entirely reset your internal vitality, drastically improving energy, optimizing blood flow throughout your system, and restoring a quiet, unwavering confidence even in the bedroom. This transformation comes without reliance on medications or stimulants, harnessing only nature and science, working precisely as they were intended. As Dr. Mary Markham, a urologist with 12 years of experience, I've had the honor of helping countless men in their prime restore their full vitality, teaching them a crucial lesson. Your body is not inherently broken. It's simply receiving the wrong signals. Send the right signals at the right time, and everything can change. Before we dive into the steps, please take a moment to support this information. Tap that like button, subscribe so you never miss a future Men's Health Deep Dive, and let me know in the comments where you are watching from today. We start our deep repair right now. Every man who passes the age of 50 recognizes the subtle but frustrating reality. You simply do not bounce back from fatigue or strain with the speed you once did. Your muscles have lost that hard, firm responsiveness, and the mental fog you wake up with seems heavier and harder to shake. The established wisdom tells you this is just life, but I'm here to tell you the overlooked truth. Your body isn't actually aging too rapidly. It's suffering from a persistent nutritional and timing starvation that prevents it from fully utilizing its nightly repair mechanisms. Crucial to this entire process is something few men ever talk about: your mitochondria. Think of these as the tiny batteries inside every one of your cells. They are the engines that generate 90% of the energy needed for your heart, your brain, and your muscles to function. Unfortunately, past midlife, mitochondrial activity starts to naturally slow down, generating less power, leading to the crushing fatigue you feel everywhere. Simultaneously, silent, undetectable inflammation begins to take hold, stealthily working to stiffen your arteries, blunt your nerves' responsiveness, and slow your entire muscular recovery process. You might believe this deep exhaustion is inevitable, but in truth, it's your cells frantically signaling for the precise fuel they are no longer receiving. This is why everyone talks about magnesium, the miracle mineral, the key to relaxation and deep rest. And while it is an essential mineral, calming the nervous system and supporting proper muscle function, here is the secret most people overlook. Magnesium alone is only half the picture. Without the right partner cofactors, the specific vitamins needed to open the doors of your cells and help magnesium get inside where the action happens, a huge amount of that mineral will simply pass through you. It's the difference between trying to start your car without the right ignition key and truly fueling a deep system synchronization. We need to focus on proper synchronization, not merely blind supplementation, which leads us to the heart of the matter: the key components that will fully activate your natural nighttime repair code. So let's unveil the genuine breakthrough, the two pivotal vitamins that fully switch your body's repair systems back online while you sleep. They are vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Most men already know D3 as the sunshine vitamin, a supplement for bone strength and immunity, but its functions run vastly deeper. D3 regulates over 1,000 genes, including critical genetic pathways that govern everything from blood vessel flexibility and cellular regeneration to efficient hormone production. When your D3 levels inevitably drop, due to age, modern indoor living, and diet, your body's ability to conduct cellular repair becomes critically inefficient. Circulation slows, overall energy tanks, and those crucial repair signals stay asleep. But D3's vital function hinges entirely on its hidden and often ignored biological partner, vitamin K2. K2's job is that of a powerful traffic controller. Its primary mission is to instruct the calcium flowing in your blood precisely where to go, safely into your bones and muscles, and critically, away from the delicate walls of your arteries. Without sufficient K2, calcium begins to accumulate and calcify in those arterial walls, hardening your blood vessels and significantly limiting flexibility. This vascular stiffness is a fundamental hidden cause for why many otherwise healthy older men experience weakened energy, a dramatic loss of blood flow, and a profound overall feeling of frailty. When these two vitamins work in concert, however, everything transforms. Your arteries stay flexible and wide open, blood flows robustly to your heart, brain, and all other vital areas, and magnesium can finally penetrate and calm your nervous system while rapidly accelerating energy production. This synergistic pair is the entire foundation of your body's true nighttime repair code, the sophisticated biological program designed to rebuild your strength, revitalize your hormones, and dramatically enhance circulation as you enjoy deep, restorative sleep. Think of D3 as the on switch and K2 as the director, making certain that the newly generated power flows only to where it's desperately needed. No waste and no unintended hardening or damage. By synchronizing this pair just before bed, you give your cells an unmistakable green light. It's night. You are safe. Now start the profound rebuilding process. This synchronization is how you finally wake up feeling truly lighter, inherently stronger, and with clear, focused thoughts, not from caffeine, but because you have fully reactivated your body's deepest restorative power. This is the segment where we pull all these insights into actionable, real-world steps you can start tonight, centered around the foundational pillars of magnesium, D3, and K2. But to maximize their power, timing is paramount. It's the element that determines whether your body uses this opportunity to simply coast or to fully regenerate. Here is the single 1-minute habit that ties it all together. Every night, approximately 30 to 45 minutes before you get into bed, take your vitamin D3, always coupled with vitamin K2. The small gap ensures they have time to start working and setting the stage before deep sleep. Remember, K2 is essential for directing D3's powerful activities, ensuring that calcium is channeled exclusively to the skeletal system and away from your blood vessels. Then, just as you're getting into bed and ready to lie down, take your chosen magnesium supplement. It must be an easily absorbed, restorative form such as magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, both of which excel at calming the central nervous system. This staggered, two-step timing achieves an impressive effect. As your brain begins to produce melatonin to signal the onset of sleep, the D3 and K2 start quietly activating your internal nitric oxide pathways and crucial vessel repair signals. When the specialized magnesium enters your system moments later, it immediately amplifies these very signals, simultaneously relaxing all muscles, deeply soothing your entire nervous system, and opening blood vessels for an extraordinary boost in nighttime circulation. This allows your sleeping body to work precisely like it did in its peak years. Cells become detoxified more effectively, muscles readily absorb rebuilding nutrients, arteries grow more flexible, and those little mitochondria, your cell batteries, finally recharge fully. The result is unmistakable, a feeling of being clear-headed, fundamentally lighter, and a quiet returned confidence that comes from knowing your body has been meticulously working for you and not against you throughout the night. Moreover, an important unexpected secret of this routine is that improved systemic circulation directly contributes to a better hormonal balance. A more flexible vascular system allows your testosterone, growth hormone, and thyroid levels to start normalizing naturally, removing the dependency on artificial or synthetic boosters. Many men who adopt this routine report something profound within weeks. They don't just feel better, they begin to feel undeniably younger, all thanks to this simple 1-minute habit, executed with strategic timing. Now that the strategy is clear, we must immediately address what not to do, because even slight errors can fully block the sophisticated repair signals you are trying to activate. most men seeking to improve energy or circulation inadvertently fall into one of these traps, powerful enough to derail all progress. Mistake number 1, terrible timing. These specific nutrients are designed to align with and activate repair, not daylight alertness. Taking your D3K2 or even magnesium at random hours, particularly in the morning, will completely confuse your body's circadian rhythm. It can suppress melatonin production and seriously compromise your deep sleep quality, the complete opposite of the intended effect. Mistake number 2, using the wrong magnesium. Don't fall for cheaper, poorly absorbed forms like magnesium oxide or citrate. They often cause stomach upset and rarely provide true systemic benefit. The restorative effect depends on the bioavailable power of glycinate or threonate, which penetrate the cellular and nervous systems where repair happens. Mistake number 3, ignoring the K2 partnership. Taking vitamin D3 alone, a surprisingly common blunder, is a tremendous risk. Without its biological traffic cop, K2, the circulating calcium that D3 liberates, is prone to settling in the soft tissue of your arteries, stiffening them over time and actively destroying your long-term circulation. D3 and K2 must always be taken together. Mistake number 4, skipping healthy fats. D3 and K2 are essential fat-soluble vitamins, meaning they cannot be absorbed effectively into the bloodstream without some accompanying fat. You must take them with a meal or snack containing a small, healthy source of fat, like olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Otherwise, your entire expensive supplement regime is only achieving a fraction of its potential. Mistake number 5, overtraining or undersleeping. This shocks most men who associate health with relentless activity. While you can break down tissue in the gym, the rebuilding, hormonal optimization, and mitochondrial recharge, your entire cellular recovery occurs only when you are sleeping. If you sacrifice deep sleep, you eliminate the very repair window that this nightly habit is designed to activate. Mistake number 6, lack of consistency. This is where most men abandon ship, expecting instant miracles. Your body's cells, arteries, and hormones require sustained signals to fully reprogram their function. Men who commit to this precise routine for at least 30 nights see the most powerful transformations because they have given their biology the crucial time it needs to heal itself thoroughly. Correcting these mistakes will allow your body's self-repair system to respond much faster than you think, preparing you to finally reclaim the powerful vitality you feared was gone forever. This journey is not about fighting the tide of time, but rather giving your body the strategic, timed reminders it needs to work as efficiently as it once did. When you orchestrate the perfect nightly symphony of magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2 with precision, your body automatically defaults to its most potent operating rhythm. Flexible arteries open naturally, profound energy is rebuilt at the cellular level, and that quiet, powerful confidence that defines true vitality returns as a natural byproduct, not the false boost from a quick pill, but from deep, unshakable biological restoration. This transformation isn't a quest to chase some fleeting idea of youth, but an effective means of fully restoring balance to your complex system. The simple truth is, your body still holds the blueprints to repair, to rebuild, and to perform at an exceptionally high level. It is merely waiting patiently for the precise signal to begin the work. Starting this 1-minute nightly habit guarantees deeper sleep, clearer wake-ups, lighter and stronger mornings, and sharper cognition throughout the day. Your circulation will soar, your hormones will settle into a more natural, potent balance, and that innate feeling of powerful, quiet confidence will fully return. Every single night is transformed into an intentional opportunity to deeply rebuild yourself, and every morning serves as undeniable proof that your biology is, once again, working effectively for you. You do not need to simply accept the cultural narrative that getting older means inevitably slowing down. You don't require a cabinet full of expensive, aggressive supplements. All you truly need is absolute consistency, perfect timing, and the simple, right natural tools to achieve restoration. So tonight, commit to taking that single minute for yourself. Strategically pair your vitamin D3 with K2, add your highly bioavailable magnesium, and then simply let your powerful self-healing body handle the rest. I'm Dr. Mary Markham. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next lesson.